one palette.
Hello foodies, today's recipe is Bengali classic Katla tomato jhal. Basically Katla fish with tomatoes. This is my mother's recipe. Basically in hot summer days we used to enjoy this dish together. Today I have tried how my ma cooks it. So let's jump to the recipe. First we need to fry the fish. Not too much, not less. For tempering the oil, we will use cardamom, cinnamon and cumin. Then we will add the chopped onion, garlic and ginger and fry them until it becomes golden brown. Now we have to add some tomatoes. I have taken here 2 tomatoes. We will cook the tomatoes until it becomes soft. It's time to put some spices. For this we will make a paste with the spices by the lukewarm water and pour it into the frying pan. For the paste I have taken 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, some salt and some turmeric powder. Cook all the things together. For gravy, adjust with water as per your choice. When the gravy will start to boil, add your fish and let it boil for 2 to 5 minutes on medium to high flame. Then turn off the gas and let it cover for 5 to 7 more minutes. Now squeeze some lemon and stir this. It will give some tanginess and freshness to your gravy. Now it is ready to be served. Enjoy the dish with plain hot white rice. Please do try my recipes and comment below how it turned out. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment.